welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today I bring a TouchElex. It's a watch that looks like an iWatch, but it's pretty good actually for those that are going to be working out, those that want just the basic stuff of a watch, your heart rate, and pretty much your workout sessions. This is probably the good thing for you. So if you have a child that's not responsible or someone that doesn't want to spend the money on iWatch, maybe this could be a solution for you guys. So let's take a look at it and see what you get. Out of the box, you get the watch, you get the instructions, and I'm going to take you step by step of what to do. The instructions are actually on the bottom of it. If you guys can see it right there, there is a barcode that actually takes you to the application that you're going to need to require to download the thing too. So we're going to take you guys in a look, and I'm going to show you a little bit of the inside before I'm going to show you how to set it up. So let me show you the setup. So we're going to talk about the application for the watch. And right now I'm currently going to use an Apple system, so an iOS, and we're going to use an iPad so you guys can see that you can do this with any kind of system. So right now, as you can see, I am going to go ahead and show you the application. And the application you have to download, it's right here. You can find it on the internet. There's also information on it with the guide. So with the manual, it comes in there. And right now we're going to go ahead and zoom in. And this is pretty much the interfaces that are available for the watch. And there's various, this is the one that I actually went with. If you guys can see it, it's right there. But there's plenty of different interfaces that you can change it. How many steps, if you want more of the steps, if you want more futuristic. They have a lot of great options to have. I mean, because the default, I didn't really like the default, but as you can see, there's a lot of options you can do here. Let's go back to more, and then you could even enable certain things like your messaging system, your text messages. You could get them exactly like your iWatch, similar to it. Alarm system. Water reminder. This is a good one. This actually tells you like certain time to actually drink a glass of water, because a lot of us forget that. Heart monitoring, and then remote control photography. You could actually take pictures with this also. And there's more device settings that you could actually find in here. Weather forecast, this is a good one actually. And you could put your current region. I'm going to put Downey, that's where I actually live. So I'm going to go in there. Now we're going to actually go into language settings. You could change it to any language you actually want, correspond to, and about the equipment. And this is the actual default. If you guys can see it, that's the actual default face that you get. But and when you're looking for the Bluetooth, it's going to be called Harley, right? That's the name of the Bluetooth that you have to find under Harley, and the version that you have to get. Once I got it, I had to do an update on it, but after that, it was simple. Now, in order to change interfaces, you could go into more, and we're gonna go into find a different one. So we're gonna go ahead and get this Soothing one. I kind of like this one. All you gotta do is download. Hit the download button, and if you notice your phone, your watch, you turn it on, it goes into this mode right now. So we're actually at 12%. We're downloading the application, and you're going to see the actual new mode similar to the iWatch. So a lot of different interface. If you guys can see how easy it was to do that. Now that you saw the setup, I'm going to show you some of the watch some of the features on the watch that I like. And then pretty much this is a face that you have to download and update. So the basic face is a little difficult to actually see the time. So I ended up downloading this one because if you can notice, it actually tells you everything you need to know, how much calories, your heart rate, and so forth. You know, this is a great item too also, and it tells you the battery charge, the weather, the time. I'm gonna have to keep clicking on it because it kind of goes away. January 19th, Wednesday. So it gives you a lot of information that you have. And if you can notice, this is the actual heart rate monitoring system. If you're gonna do exercises, it's gonna tell you how much you're working now, how much you're burning. Now here's the charging area. It's not the same as an watch, but it's magnetic too, and it's a smaller little magnet connection that we're gonna take a look at it and see how it works. Now, all right, charging the actual watch is very simple. They give you the charger. If you guys can see it, it's very simple. It's just magnet, and that's it pretty much, and it tells you how to charge it. You know, it's two little prongs. Now this is a unique charger, so losing it might be an issue. You might want to maybe see if they sell an extra one or something, but for the price of the watch, you can always buy yourself another watch. When you put on the watch itself, there's other features that you can slide down. It tells you how much steps you're going to be walking, calories, and the time it took you. So I haven't been using it as much as I need to, but I'm just showing you guys the heart rate. This is a little bit off right now. I didn't put it on, but it just monitors your heart rate of how fast you've been running and stuff like that, stress levels and so forth. Now, this, you could connect your music to it, and if you have any wireless headsets, it connects to it too, so you could control it from here. So it's going to be running off your phone, not off the system, but you're able to control it from here on this device itself. So the great features: sleeping condition, you can sleep with your watch and it'll tell you exactly the sleeping conditions you currently have, or if you require more sleep. This is another feature that you need to set up, with the weather, and everything's set up through your phone, or through, it could be a Droid, or it could be an iOS. All right. Then you go back to the time. They have multiple faces, as you guys saw in the video, that you can change it around and actually calibrate this again. So in order to begin setting up this watch, you do require an actual device to set it up. All right. Charging it is very simple. Like I said, plug and play. Easy to use. So if you guys are looking for something inexpensive and you want just the basics, not something that comes with the fluff, then this is probably the case for you. Easy to set up. So if you have any questions or any comments, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.